It's your lucky day. You get to do the bogs while I sit up in here.
And who died and made you boss?
No one, but I was in first, and first in gets first dibs on the jobs. Them's the rules.
Well, I'm not doing anything till I get a cup of coffee. Sorry, boss.
She'll think so too. Mine's white one, sugar. Oh, and one thinking, one quick rota change. Tonight, Matthew, you will be my sous chef.
I can't run the bar by myself. And Matthew, you sound like his mother.
Oh, no, as in Matthew Kelly. Stars in their eyes. It doesn't really work because it's meant to be him saying, it doesn't matter. You don't mind, do you? It's, you know, Victoria's day off and Charity will be back soon, so...
I reckon I'll survive.
You, usually cope fine when Vic's off.
Yeah, it doesn't mean it's easy, though.
Look, Marlon, I know it must feel weird, him just showing up
I am
like...
fine with it, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, I'd say if I wasn't.